morning, Master Blend Nation. I'm here today at the North Carolina State Fair with Mr. John Hammonds and Miss Breena. About to do big things. They're going to tell you a little bit about what's going on.
So come out and visit us at the State Fair this year. We're in Dorton Arena, got to BNC Pavillion. We have many great vendors here this year, and live cooking stage at 1, 3, and 5 o'clock daily. Come on out and see us.
Well, we welcome you into the Gotta BNC Pavilion. We have such a variety of local North Carolina vendors participating. You've got everything from wine to fudge and barbecue sauces, some soft serve ice cream, just a ton of great stuff for you to come sample and purchase some local products.
You heard it first, guys. So you know the motto. In the meantime, in between time, make sure you take care of yourselves and each other. We got one other thing to say.
If you want the best in North Carolina State Fairs,
It's got to be BNC.